Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add text in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my website builder, and to add text, just click on add element, drag and move this text and drop it where you want. You can either make it bigger. To edit this text, you can either double click it or click on edit text. You can write your own text. You can edit the text color, the text size, also the type of or the text style from a heading to a paragraph. To make your text a link, just select the part you want to turn to a link and click on this little link icon. You can link to a page or a web address. Fill in your website address and hit save. To write a section using AI in this text, you can simply select your text element and click on AI Writer. Then describe your text and it will be replaced or added here. To duplicate this text element, you can duplicate it just like that. You can also make it appear either on mobile or desktop. You can delete this text element from here. And this is how to add text in Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.